Welcome back to the Data Management and Sharing Plan tutorial video series. In this video, we will be looking at element 1B and 1C. In element 1B, you will be describing which scientific data from the project will be preserved and shared and provide the rationale for doing so. Here you should specify, out of all the data to be generated and described in element 1A, what can be and what makes sense to publicly share. Can all of the raw data be shared, or will it go through a level of post-processing, and why? Some valid rationales can include human subject concerns, storage limitations, and overall feasibility. The data described should allow other researchers and investigators to reproduce the study and collect data in a similar manner. In the sample below, you can see the research team states only de-identified individual level data will be publicly shared for the protection of the human subjects in the study. They also mention that the rest of the data collected will be able to be publicly shared without limitations. Element 1C is the final part of element 1, and here you will briefly list the metadata, other relevant data, and any associated documentation that will be made accessible to facilitate interpretation of the scientific data. Metadata is the data that describes the scientific data. You should describe any contextual details that are necessary to make the data you capture meaningful to you and others. Some metadata examples may include data dictionaries, README files, codebooks, research protocols, or standard operating procedures. In the sample below, the research team notes that all data sets will be shared alongside an associated data dictionary. They also include that all shared code will be accompanied by README files. Below is a more detailed example of element 1C. The underlined parts highlight the metadata and associated documentation that the research team will share alongside publication. Please pause the video to read the sample. For help with your data management plan, please fill out a data consult request or email the data management support team. For additional information on data management and sharing plans, please visit our LibGuide. In the next video, we will be looking at element 2.